Hello, my name is Willard with Assured Comfort Heating, Air, and Plumbing, and today I'm going to go over one of the most common failures in a heating system, in which I get called out on to see why the heating system's not performing. So one of those failures is venting. If your system is not venting out the combustion gases, also known as carbon monoxide, there's several safeties in the furnace that will shut the system down for safety and the protection of the equipment. And right here, where this pressure switch hooks into this orifice, just a little small hole, it simply just gets clogged up. And with a simple cleaning, the orifice cleaner, go in there, clean the orifice out, reinstall the tube, check the operation, and as long as the heating system is working fine, then it's good to go. This can also be prevented by a maintenance plan, or like I said, if it does happen in an inconvenient time, you can always give us a call and we can come out and see what's needed and get it back up and running.